Hello and welcome to my channel. I've created this channel because I want to improve my English speaking with you. So if you are also interested to improve your English speaking, don't be afraid. Just join the live and share your experiences. I mean you have a clear accent.
No, I don't think.
You don't think so?
Yeah.
Really? I think you have a good accent.
Yeah.
Don't anybody say that to you?
Really? Alright, okay. Thanks.
Okay,
Where are you
good.
from?
I'm from Cameroon. And you, where are you from?
Cameroon.
Do you know
Okay.
Cameroon?
Great. Yeah, nice to meet you. How is the weather in Cameroon?
Please?
Is it hot?
Yes. Now it's hot. Now it's hot.
What time is it there?
What time is there? It's 9 p.m. What I'm saying? It's 7 p.m.
7 p.m. By morning.
Nay, p.m. at the evening.
Evening, okay. That's great.
Where are you from and what time is it in your country?
I'm from Morocco.
Morocco.
Yeah.
So also in Africa. Okay.
Yeah, also in Africa.
Okay. I get it.
Yeah.
So do you have a topic?
African people.
Please?
I'm sorry?
I have asked if you have a topic we can talk about.
A topic?
Yes, a topic. Maybe you have a topic. It will be a great thing.
No, I don't have. Do you have someone?
Yes, maybe we can talk about shopping.
Shopping?
Yes, you don't like shopping?
Well, no man likes shopping.
No men's like shopping. Why no men's like shopping? But why men's like football? Why?
Because, I don't know, because it's like in our nature.
It's something like. Can you repeat?
In our nature.
Oh, our nature. Okay, it's also our nature.
We like football,
like
we
women.
like women's, but we don't like shopping.
So you like okay, so maybe we can talk about free times or holidays.
Yeah. No matter. There's no problem for me.
Yes, free time is not a problem for you, but shopping already. Good.
No, even shopping is okay.
Okay, shopping is also okay. So okay, we talk about free time.
So do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping, but not so much. Sometimes I like shopping. And you, what about you? Do you like shopping?
Yeah, sometimes.
Sometimes.
We may need something new to wear.
Please?
We may need something to wear.
So when you need something to wear, you go shopping.
Yeah, okay. I go shopping. I don't go shopping just for go
shopping. Like us. You just go shopping for a good purpose.
Yeah. If I need a pants or I need a hat or I need a sweater.
Yes, of course. I get your point.
That's it.
So, and
how many times do you shop in a month?
How many times? Sometimes, how can I say it? Sometimes, some months I don't go shopping. How can I say it? I don't go shopping every month or every day or every week. No, I don't. Yeah. So because when you go shopping, you must have money. You must spend money on something. And I don't want to waste my money. No, I don't like it.
Yeah, that's a great.
Yes, but sometimes I like shopping, but I don't go shopping so every month. I just go shopping when I need something special.
Yeah, okay, that's the same for us.
Yes, of course. And
you are in the man side.
In the man side?
Side, yes.
In the man side, okay.
Yeah,
I get you.
Yeah.
So, and how much money do you spend on something? Or I don't know. on t-shirt, on pants?
Well, it's yeah. Well, I have this kind of philosophy. I need something. It should not be as that much expensive, but it should be in a good quality.
A good quality, but not
Yeah,
expensive.
yeah, but not as that much expensive because you can find something that's in that good quality and cheap in the same time.
Yes, of course, you are right. I agree with you.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah. So take the medium one.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Many people thinks to have a good quality or something, we must pay
mm-hmm.
we must pay high. Do you know what I mean?
Can you explain for me?
So I want to say many people thinks that to buy a good quality of an article, we have
Yeah.
to spend more money than usual.
No, no. This
Yeah,
is wrong.
yeah, it's wrong. It's wrong. It's totally wrong. It's totally
Yeah,
wrong.
it's totally wrong. Yeah.
Yes. And what are your favorite clothes?
Hmm?
What are your favorite clothes?
Affair.
What are your favorite
Yeah,
favorites?
my favorite clothes.
Yes, favorite clothes. Yes,
Well, sneakers, jeans,
and
and
t-shirt.
sweaters, t-shirts.
Yes, that's the
Yeah,
same for men.
yeah, yeah. Something that's like it shows a masculinity in a
Yes,
man, and it should be simple also.
yes, yes. But
Yeah.
most of women like to wear a dress.
Dress,
Dress, yes, dresses.
jewels, jewels.
Jewels. Also, I mean dress. Uh,
Dresses, yeah, okay,
yes,
yeah,
dresses.
yeah.
Yes,
Dresses, yeah, 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 that's
yes,
true.
yes. That's
How about
for
you? What do you like? Do you like to wear dresses?
yes, of course. I like wear dresses, but
Yeah,
sometimes at the cold times I like to wear pants and pullover.
yeah, okay.
Yes, I like to
Who,
wear.
who makes you more beautiful? Dresses or pants and pullovers?
Please.
Who makes you more beautiful?
Yeah. What did you say? Dresses is more beautiful.
Yeah, I'm asking you.
For me, yes, I
Yeah,
think that dresses is more beautiful than pants and pullover for women.
yeah, okay, and comfortable also. Do you think?
Yes, of course.
Yeah, that's great. Okay. What's your name, by the way?
My name is Gwen, and you? What's your name?
Ayub.
Ayub. Yes, Ayub.
Yeah.
Yes, yes,
Gwen. Gwen.
yes. Gwen or
Gwen,
Gwen,
yeah. Gwen.
like you.
Nice to meet you, Gwen.
Yes, thank you very much. Nice to meet you too.
Yeah, thanks.
That's great. That's
Yeah.
great.
What do you learn? Do you speak just what languages do you speak in Cameroon? French? Do you speak French also?
French and English.
Yeah, it's great. French and English. Yeah.
And what about Morocco?
Yeah, we use Moroccan Arabic. We use French. We use, but
English,
not,
English
but
also.
nothing. No. It's depend if you learn. But the most we use French. We use in our streets and in our cities and in our country we use Moroccan Arabic and like schools and academic things we
Mm-hmm.
use French. Yeah,
Okay. Okay.
yeah. And there is some people like me that choose to learn
English.
English. Yeah,
So
I prefer English than French.
do you have some English friends?
No,
And how do you improve your English?
just by myself.
So you just